So how to find your Temu referral code. Today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that, so follow up with me. First, of course, we go ahead and open the Temu app and wait for this screen to go away. It will take a couple of seconds. After that, tap on the U icon in the bottom right there, and then from here tap on earn credits and free gifts right there. It will take you here. Choose one of these games. I'm gonna choose the last one, the lucky flip. Wait for a couple of seconds, and this golden button is the one that you're looking for. So when you tap on it, you get this window that pops up from the bottom, in which you can share the code directly, or you can copy it by tapping here in the bottom. The method works for both the code and the link, so I'm going to copy the link, and you can just do the same for the code. Once you copy the code, you can only see it if you paste it somewhere. So let's go and create a new note and paste the code right there. Now if you have copied the link, you'll find the link. If you copy the code, you'll find the code. And that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thanks for watching.